Hyaluronic acid. Okay, I think that joke worked better in my head. Hey guys, what's up? It's Shannon. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for hanging out. Today I have another skincare video. What? If you're new to my channel, I'm a licensed esthetician and makeup artist based out of Los Angeles, obsessed with simplifying beauty, making it really easy, and giving you all the information that I know. So if you guys enjoy this video, definitely don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you're not already subscribed, because it's fun. And it's free. Okay, cool guys, let's get into it. There's a lot of information in this video, so I've actually made kind of like a little timetable in the description box below, so definitely check that out if you have a specific question or you just want to fast forward to a certain point. For those of you who haven't heard of hyaluronic acid, it's commonly used in your skincare products. However, it goes beyond topical application and is extremely beneficial in the medical field as well. I think initially we hear the word hyaluronic acid and we kind of focus on the acid part and think that it's gonna be super intense. And although hyaluronic acid is really extremely powerful, it's nothing to be intimidated by. Here's why. Hyaluronic acid is actually found in your body. It's inside of you. It's basically a molecule that is naturally found in your skin structure and connective tissue. It lubricates your joints and keeps everything super hydrated. And actually, high concentrations of it are found not only in your joints, but also in your eyes and your heart valves. Ding. Fun fact, the average human body contains 15 grams of HA, but every single day, 1/3 of your supply is synthesized or degraded. We produce less and less as we age, and you know when that degrading starts? In your 20s. I know. So what is it? It's a powerful humectant in the form of a clear gel-like goo. One hyaluronic acid molecule can actually hold 1,000 times its weight in moisture. That's like me holding 1,000 clones of myself. That's weird. When you apply it topically, it starts to work by grabbing and holding moisture so that your skin can absorb it. Hyaluronic acid also aids in tissue repair. When the skin is exposed to UVB rays, the dermis, which is the second layer of the skin, so there's the epidermis and then the dermis stops producing as much hyaluronan and increases the rate of degradation. Everybody can benefit from using hyaluronic acid in their skincare routine. In fact, you've probably already used it and you just didn't even know it. It's a really common ingredient in serums, essences, moisturizers, and I've even seen it in lipsticks. Sometimes it'll be listed as sodium hyaluronate, and that is basically derived from hyaluronic acid, but it has all of the same benefits. When your skin is dry, the surface of it is more vulnerable to damage. Oftentimes when I have clients sit in my makeup chair and they either don't have a good skincare routine or maybe they just even have dry skin, there's a lot of kind of redness and irritation on the skin. And usually when I apply a hyaluronic serum or anything with hyaluronic acid in it, it immediately calms down and soothes that redness. If you're not sure where to start, I would maybe recommend going with a serum. That way you can instantly feel a difference. And how I recommend people do it is they put it on one cheek and then tap gently and then tap the other cheek where it hasn't been applied, and you'll feel the water retention on the side that you put it on. It's pretty crazy. And another thing too, because we have hyaluronic acid naturally in our body, the chances of someone having irritation to it is pretty low. So it's a great thing to carry in your makeup kit or to use if you have sensitive skin. Alrighty guys, that is it for me for this week. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this kind of ingredient product breakdown. As always, there are more tips and tricks on Facebook and Instagram at Makeup by Shannon Marie. I hope you guys are having a great week. Stay hydrated and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys.